There are many ways to identify the load-bearing capacity of soil. You can take soil samples and send them to a laboratory. You can ask an engineer who's been specially trained in the analysis of soil, or you can do a very good job with a tool called a pocket penetrometer. If you follow a few simple directions, you can get a very good idea of the load-bearing capacity of the soil, and it won't take long. The scale of the pocket penetrometer is graduated in tons per square foot. To use the charts, 1,000 pounds or 1.5 tons, and so on. The chart goes to 4,000 pounds. Any values you find above that will still be considered 4,000 pounds. Notice that there is a spring in the handle of the pocket penetrometer and that the body of the mechanism slides into the handle. The tip of the probe has a little groove around it exactly a 1/4 inch up from the bottom. This is the part that's inserted into undisturbed soil. That has to be the same moisture content as the soil under the home. What this means is that you can't test sun-baked soil or loose fill. Never place a home on loose fill. Any fill needed should be compacted to the original density of the soil prior to its being disturbed. Finding the same moisture content may require that you dig into the ground 6 or 8 inches, though in some areas your footings will not be down that deep. What you're looking for here is ground that has not been affected by the sun, just like the ground under the home will be after the home is installed. That's where you should take your readings. Insert the probe to the little groove on the bottom, then read the displacement of the red ring up the barrel. If you take 5 readings in the same general area, throw out the high and low readings, average the remaining 3 readings. This gives you a fairly accurate reading of the load-bearing capacity of the soil. There are a few things to watch out for. Pocket penetrometers do not work on sand or gravel. If you have sand, use a 1,500-pound load-bearing capacity. If you have a layer of gravel, test the soil under the gravel. Don't put the pocket penetrometer on stones larger than its tip. This will cause an inaccurate reading. The time it takes to accomplish this task is certainly less than a couple of minutes and will ensure the success of the rest of the installation. We didn't have to do this 40 years ago in the trailer business, but we're not in that business anymore.